Hey Project Fam, welcome to ChizTV. On this channel, this is where I take real garage projects, car builds, and some DIY repairs. No fluff, just tools, some of my time, and a few problems to solve, so let's get to it. If you missed the first part of this video, you gotta go check it out right here. On part 1, you saw me putting back the used replacement struts, doing things like changing the bump stop and the strut cover. Now I'm ready to put it back in, but it wouldn't be a video if Boogeyman FPV didn't come through, so here it is. So let's get right down to today's episode of Projects and Problems. Listen to Boogeyman come through the spot. I didn't even hear you coming. How you doing? Good? Oh, you dirty.
Yeah. It's been a couple weeks.
So instead of actually washing the car, you came to hang out with me.
Yep.
Come on,
I gotta wash it tomorrow.
Nice. Well, I ran into problems already. Yeah. So I'll tell you how it started. Right? It wasn't too bad. First, I lost one of my mics. Just one. That's fine.
Okay. You did both of them already?
No, I ain't do nothing yet.
Oh, you just took stuff off.
Took stuff off.
Okay.
I was transferring over my rear sway bar links, and I was like, wait a minute. I thought I bought some rear sway bar links because those are shot.
Okay.
So I have a set for the front.
Yeah.
And a spare set for the front, and nothing for the rear.
Okay.
So
what's the condition of the current links now?
Oh, this trash.
Oh.
This trash. It's already coming off the boot. I said, well, what would you do?
I can find some links somewhere.
Yeah, go see if you can find some links. So I called my local stores. Now I know that the brand that I like, maybe I like this one, MEYLE. Like it.
Yep.
I can get a set of 2 for about $50.
What's that spot up in Connecticut?
FCP Euro.
Yeah.
Yes.
They open today?
Of course. I am not.
Yeah, okay. I was about to say.
I am not running up to Connecticut. And I'll tell you why.
Okay.
I was like, I'll go to my local store and I'll just pick up some, right?
Yeah.
So I look it up online. I'm like, all right, so it costs $80. Maybe $85. Not the cheapest one, but the decent brand.
Okay. Are they adjustable or
each? So that's $55 versus $180. It's the principle. I don't know if y'all heard it earlier, but Boogeyman was ready to hit the road and go to FCP Euro and pick it up. He wasn't playing today. I tried Advanced Auto, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Napa, Napa. What else did I try?
Try reaching out to them.
Huh?
Try reaching out to them. You might have 2 sitting
Yeah,
around.
you know he has 2. You're right. Niall, if you're watching this, you just got a shout out.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm just saying. You might have 2 sitting around.
All right. Boogeyman has a solution. What you got?
All right, plan B, right?
Plan B.
You're already in there.
Right.
Pop in the new struts.
Right.
With the old swing bar links.
This is the old strut.
Right. Put the new struts in.
So let's put the new struts in with the trash, rear
trash
bar
links.
Yes.
Let the car chill for a day or 2
while
you already order some new ones, and this is an easier job to replace than having to go through all of this. Because you already got it up and you're already in there.
Sure. All right, so plan is we're still going to continue with the installation. I'll place the order. I'll install it when it comes in. I just noticed something. Boogeyman's not wearing working clothes.
These are my moral support clothes.
It looks like only one of us is getting dirty today.
I got your way back clothes.
Yeah. Remember when Boogeyman was replacing his struts? Yeah, by the time I got there, he was already on the first wheel. And it was cold in that garage. And all I did was walk around for moral support, holding the camera. Straight up payback.
You're getting rid of this again, why?
It's too rough. It is too hard. And I don't think these dampers are working properly.
Okay.
And if I get them all refurbished,
yep,
that's going to be about $1,000 anyway.
All right. So Bilstein's all around, but you're not happy with the damper still.
I'm not happy with the damper.
Okay. So don't waste your time talking to me, man.
Oh,
time
that's
to get these things in.
What did we just do? Tell me more about this project. Ouch.
Jeez. Well, we didn't do anything. You did all the work. But, got the rear struts installed.
So these are the old coilovers.
Yep.
And we have the new.
Was it Bilsteins?
They're still Bilstein.
B8s?
B8s, correct.
H&R springs?
H&R springs, right.
Sport springs.
Correct.
And just the rear though for now, so.
Just the rear for now.
Yep. So wasn't the last wheel wasn't bad. The first one was a little bit of finagling, obviously.
First one took all day.
Took a little bit of time, you know. But the second one you flew through, you know, and now when you go back in there to do your end links, that's
End links? That's a whole different story. Yes, we'll do the end links.
Yeah.
But this is all done. This looks really nice. And we have a spacer on with the tire. That's a bit much. I don't know. That's a bit much.
It'll be perfect.
Boogeyman says it'll be perfect. I think it's about ½ inch more than my comfort zone.
So my car's right here. Let's go look at my car.
Oh.
We got spacers on mine. And I expect it'll be a similar one. Once it goes in, everything will come in a bit, and you should be able to see just the tiniest amount of tire as you look down. Basically trying to get it like flat this way. This is where it pokes out a little bit, but it's all good.
Alright, y'all heard it first.
It's very scientific.
Alright, so let's finish this up, put the wheels on, drop the car down, and see what it looks like. A big box, I'll tell you that much. Huge box. I wonder what's... Ooh.
Oh, jeez.
Ooh.
That's a really big box for a really not so big package on the inside. Okay.
Nothing to say. That's Boogeyman FPV, yo. Wow.
Nope, I take it back. There's no room in there.
Oh my.
That thing's massive though. Gee whiz.
Oh my.
What's the max rating on that one?
700 foot-pounds.
Jeez. Okay.
Anyone needs their front axle nut torqued, I'm the person for it. Let me know. I gotta pay this thing back.
Compensating much?
Oh my gosh. Talk about, huh?
Hey, where's your small torque range? We gotta get the size comparison here. I'm very secure in my torque range.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jeez.
Yeah, this is actually going back in the case. Nice.
Can I feel the weight of that one?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, no, that's a serious
That weight alone is
Holy
what.
crap. And does the telescope out or no? It doesn't need to, I guess, because you had your adjustments there.
Correct.
Jeez. Wow, man.
Yeah.
It's nice though.
All right, so
you use it one time, right?
twice.
Twice, 2 times. Okay.
One on each side.
Oh goodness, man.
It's all the guesswork out. That's a perfect fit.
Yeah.
How it's flush
Yeah.
with the side. That's perfect. And I didn't even look at. That's still tough. That's almost as low as it was. That's a little higher than the coilover, but still, it's good. That looks good.
Okay, you got the old twisty back road in your backyard. Shoot.
Wow.
Okay, that sound?
Yep.
Okay. Are you sure with these glasses jumping around? I'm just saying. Okay.
I got more for you. It's showing out. It's
I'm listening.
showing out. When we get over this hill, it gets bumpy. And the next road is all bumpy.
So I'm gonna say, what do you have in your glove box? Anything potentially that could make it's locked. So I'm just thinking, I haven't heard anything that'll alert me yet.
Alright. It's low. And I can't hear the clinking anymore. Boogeyman thinks it was all in my head. I don't know, but it sounds good. It rides good. I'm going to take it for another ride on a really bad highway. Boogeyman was just talking about the spacers. He likes it. So stop hitting the potholes. You know, don't.
It's like it's making sounds because you're going off a curve.
Well, I had to show you what. Yeah, of course.
You know, it's gonna make a sound when you catch air.
All right, Boogeyman, thanks for helping out.
No worries.
I'll get to the front, but for now, that's the end of this one. I'll talk to you guys later.